Welcome back to another Learning Studio in 2 minutes. In today's video, we're going to go over how to use click detectors. So let's go ahead and dive in and get started. Alright, so click detectors can be used to register clicks on parts. So let's go ahead and start by inserting a part. The next thing we're going to do over on the Explorer menu is find the part and click on the plus sign. The first thing we're going to do is add our click detector. After that, we can go ahead and add a script as well. This script is going to start off like most others with a variable for the part. So we'll say local part, and that's going to be equal to script.parent. After that, we're going to create an additional variable for the click detector. So we'll say local click, and this is going to be equal to part.clickDetector. After that, we're going to make a function that'll run whenever this part gets clicked on. So we'll say local function. The name of the function doesn't really matter. Let's go ahead and call it onClick. The parameter for the click event is the player. And then what we'll do inside this function is just print off the player's name. So we'll say player.name. So we'll start with our click detector, which we called click. We're going to say .mouseClick. And then we're going to say :connect. And then we'll connect our function, which is called onClick. And when the player hovers their mouse over the part, it changes the icon of the mouse. And then when they click, it's going to print off the player's name, because that's what we had to do in the script. You can do different things with the player parameter, such as setting their health equal to 0. So let's go and see what happens when we do this. So this time, whenever the player clicks on the part, it's going to kill the player by setting their health equal to 0. And finally, before we end with this video, one property of the click detector that you're probably going to want to take a look at is this property right here, the max activation distance. This sets how far the player can be away from the part and still have it be clickable. So if I set this to something really small like 5, let's go and take a look. And we can see at this distance, I'm too far away and nothing happens when I click on the part. So I have to be within 5 studs of the part before I can click on it. Alright, so that's going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed and stay tuned for the next one.